Hey everybody, today we are going to do Pioneer Woman's Best Chicken Breast. It's really fast, really quick. You need to take about 3 pounds of chicken breast and trim the excess fat off. You can slice them in half, that's what I did to mine, and put them in a 9x13 baking dish that's been sprayed. Okay, now let's start with what's supposed to go on top. This is a really fast recipe, so it's not going to take long. Make sure you preheat your oven 375 before you start. Alright, so first thing we need to do is we need a cup of sour cream. And we need 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. A teaspoon of seasoned salt. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. See if we need to add, okay, and we need to add a cup of Parmesan cheese. I'm trying to make sure on that measurement. So you're going to put a cup of Parmesan cheese in this little coating that you're going to put on top, and then the other half a cup you're going to reserve for the top of the chicken breast. We need to mix those together real quick. And this has got to cook 25 to 30 minutes at 375 in your oven until the breast is done. And at the end, if the cheese is not melted all the way, you'll stick it under the broiler for just a few minutes to finish that off. Okay, so this chicken breast is fresh out of the oven. You need to let it rest a couple of minutes, but literally needs to be served right after it comes out. It's real easy and simple, and you can serve it with just simple potatoes and a vegetable, and that's it. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time.